Yo, what's up, everybody? How you guys doing? Hope you guys are good. All right, trying to get things started. Let's see. I'm just trying to be prepared for the next week, which is starting right now. So hope you guys are good. Hope you guys are good. All right, let's start now. All right, so yeah, today we're gonna do this analysis of maybe 4 or 6 pairs, so we can understand exactly what is gonna happen when the market opens, right? You guys already know that the market will open in about 10 or 11 hours from now, so we have to start to get prepared for next week. That's reality. All right, so yeah, let me share with you guys these stuffs, and so that you can just join our social medias as well if you guys are not there. um, all right, so just trying to get things started, guys. How are you guys doing? um, all right, okay. So let's get it working, man. Let's get it. Let's get it. Try to send you guys all of these stuffs. Twitter, Facebook, and so. All right, guys. Let's get things started now. So yeah, there we go. So I'm done and about to start right now. So yeah, if there's any specific pair that you want me to analyze for you guys, just try to send it in the live chat section. I'm trying to check out for you so that you know, analyze it for you as well. So make sure you send it right away in the live chat section so I can just check it out. All right, so yeah, let's go, man. Waiting for you guys to join. All right. Excuse me. So yeah, we'll start with AUD card. Excuse me. So this is AUD card right now, daily time frame. So we'll start with the daily time frame, then we go down to smaller time frames, right? That is what we are going to do today, and it's going to be top-down analysis. Like I said earlier on, if there's any specific pair that you want me to analyze for you, just send it. I'll just analyze it for you. Then we'll see how far we can go, right? All right, somebody's saying GBPUSD and somebody's saying EURGBP. All right, I'll analyze all of them for you. So yeah, since there is a requested pair now, let's go down to GBPUSD, and we go down to EURGBP. So this is GBPUSD right now, and that's the daily time frame anyway. All right, this is GBPUSD. Let me remove it so we can start to do a fresh analysis, right? Then after the GBP USD, now go down to EURGBP according to what you guys requested, right? That's what we are going to do. All right, and also before we start the analysis, guys, if today is your first time right here, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and also share with your friends and family. So because they might find the information that I'm about to share as well, they might find it very helpful, right? All right, so yeah, we'll start with GBPUSD right now. So this is GBPUSD daily time frame, right? So since this is daily time frame, let's start by putting our support and resistance. Then from there, we go down to 4-hour time frame. Well, let me start with putting my support and resistance. What's going on? Wow, I don't exactly get what's going on right now. Okay, so yeah, start by putting our support and resistance on this daily time frame, right? That's what I say. So these are some sort of support and resistance on this daily time frame. That's why you see me plotting right now. So yeah, these are the support and resistance on this daily time frame. There we go. So that's it. At maximum of 5, that's what I put as my support and resistance on this daily time frame. So yeah, the next thing that we're supposed to do here is to put our trend line. So let me put my trend line this way, because let me just tell you something, because if you are putting a trend line, you need 2 touches possible in order for a trend line to be valid. So you need at least 2 touches possible to validate your trend line. That's what I mean. So once you validate your trend line, the next thing is to wait for that 3rd touch, and that's going to serve as confirmation, so it will confirm your trend line right away. So right now, let's go down to 4-hour time frame. So this is 4-hour time frame, and I'll tell you what exactly I will be expecting on this 4-hour time frame when the market opens, right? So I'm seeing another support and resistance here on this 4-hour time frame. I'll just put that, change the color to 4-hour time frame color. So right now, what do you guys see? According to what I'm seeing right now, this GBPUSD is trying to be in a range. You know what I mean? Trying to serve in a range. So yeah, as I was saying, I say this GBPUSD is trying to be in a range, right? So this is what is going to happen, guys. You guys see that the market long term is trending to the upside, right? So the next thing that you're supposed to do after you put your support and resistance on this daily time frame and 4-hour time frame, the next thing that's supposed to go is trend line, right? Of course, you put your trend line, and right now, excuse me, you have to amend your trend line again on this 4-hour time frame. You see this trend, it's trying to push up to the upside. Then change the color to the 4-hour time frame color. And right now, since the market is in a range, if it's not able to go up right to the upside, see what is going to happen right on this 4-hour time frame, guys. Right now, as you can see, it's trying to come back down to retest this, right? So sorry, let me answer somebody. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be seeing now. Is that what am I even saying? Okay, yeah, so I was right here, isn't it? So I say this market is in a ranging market right now. It is a ranging market, and also what am I going to be expecting right now is where's my rectangle? All right, so you see this level right here, and also what I'm going to be expecting, where's the arrow? The market will come down to this point to test this trend line, and if it did not break out of this, it will come up again and retest this, boom, before it will eventually come back down to the downside. But first of all, you have to wait for it to break the trend line, right? You have to wait for it to break the trend line. And also, I'm not going to say, okay, you should start selling this particular pair. I'm not saying that. Wait wait for it to finish this retracement, because all of this sell is going to be a retracement based on the fact that GBP pairs, they are going to be strong next week, right? I feel like sleepy, man. That's why you see me not talking very well. So but I have to do this live stream first before I even sleep. If not, I want to be able to do it again. So yeah, the next thing that is supposed to go right now is you wait for the market to come down to this point before you start buying it, right? Because right now I'm seeing some sort of what is it called it, distractions here, man. A lot of distraction happening to me, that's why I'm not able to do all these stuffs. So yeah, right now the market will come down and retest this trend line. If it did not break out of this trend line right away, then you wait for it to come up for retracement. After the retracement happen, then the market will push to the downside. That's what is going to happen, and that's what I'm saying right on this GBP USD. So expect GBP USD to sell to this point after it breaks out of this trend line next week. That's what I'm saying. But if the market is not able to break out of this trend line, definitely it's not going to sell. That's what I'm seeing on GBP USD. If there's any question, just ask me right now and I'll answer you right away, guys, before we continue. So another pair being EURGBP. So I'm waiting for you guys if there's any other specific question. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, man. Right now I'm kind of weak, man. I'm kind of very weak right now. So it is what it is. You have to manage the situation. You have to manage it. So is there any question, guys, regarding GBPUSD analysis? Okay, in the absence of any question, let's go down EURGBP. EURGBP. Alright, so this is EURGBP right now, and I didn't have the analysis that much and things like that. So right now, what do you guys see on EURGBP? Come on, man. This is gonna be a long time sell, not a buy. Yeah, so right now, this is EURGBP daily time frame right now. Let me just activate my energy, man. Come on, bro. Let's get it. So yeah, this is EURGBP, and also let's just try and put our support and resistance, because you have to start by putting your support and resistance on the daily time frame. You know what I mean? So yeah, these are some potential support and resistance on this daily time frame right now or EURGBP. So let's go down to 4-hour time frame and check out what exactly is happening on that, right? So this is 4-hour time frame, and you see there's some sort of double top right here. They just go down to daily time frame and amend the. Okay, all right, no problem. Okay, so this was some sort of fake out. So right now this is EURGBP for our time frame, right? So right now, what I'm seeing on EURGBP is this is what is going to happen, guys. It will come up again for this retracement before it will push back down to the downside. That's what I'm seeing on EURGBP. So you see, it will come up from here to come up for retracement, but before you consider it as it will come up for retracement, it has to break out of this trend line. See, there's some sort of trend going on right here on this 1 hour time frame. So it has to break out of this and retest, then it will come up again to this level before it will start to sell and continue selling all the way to the downside. That's what I'm seeing on this. So we have to monitor what exactly is happening on all of these trade, guys, before we decide to enter the market, right? So that's what I'm seeing on EURGBP right now. Daily time frame, 4 hour time frame, and 1 hour time frame. So yeah, if there's any other question, you can just let me know before we continue with our analysis, right? Just let me know right now, then we continue, guys, if there's any other question. So there's no any other question. All right. Now I'm not ready to expose my confirmations and things like that on YouTube, man. Somebody's asking, what confirmation do you look for before you enter a trade? I'm not ready to expose any one of that. Not ready to expose that on YouTube. I look out for 4 to 5 signal confirmations before I even get into to any trade. So yeah, that's it. 4 to 5 signal confirmations. That's what I look out for before I enter my trade. So yeah, the next pair that we have is CHFJPY, right? CHFJPY. So this is CHFJPY daily time frame right now, and you see what is happening on this daily time frame. The market it will just come down for retracement because it has to go to the upside, because CHF is supposed to be strong, and that's what I'm seeing. Strata form right on this daily time frame, right? So this is daily time frame for this CHFJPY. We start off by putting our support and resistance, same thing. But for the confirmations and things like that or entry points, I say I'm not ready to expose that on YouTube. Not now. So that's our resistance, support, and support also. And there is some sort of support or resistance here. So let's go down to 4 hours time frame and see what's happening, right? So you see that CHFJPY is ranging right now, so there's nothing much going on. So right now CHFJPY is ranging, to be honest with you, because you see this, boom, 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 boom. Then from here we might expect the market to go up if it did not break out of this structure, right? If it did not break out of this structure. So this is a range market. So wait for the market to come down to this level and buy it right to the upside if the market did not break out of this zone. But once you see a breakout of this structure, there is a possibility of the market to come back down again at this level before it will start to buy to the upside. So that's what I'm seeing on CHFJPY. There's nothing much going on this particular pair right now. So that's it, man. That's it. And you know, I'm kind of weak right now. I gotta sleep. Kind of very weak, man. Somebody's asking, do you use Fibonacci? Yes, I use Fibonacci at times, but not always. I use Fibonacci, but not always. So if I'm trading Eloy's wave theory, then I use my Fibonacci for that, but not always. That's what I mean. Not always. So yeah, guys, I will just take off right now because I'm very weak, so I can't continue with this live stream. I was thinking that maybe I can do it for 1 hour, but it is what it is. Cannot continue for 1 hour, man. I have to stop and maybe start again in some hours when I wake up from sleep, because I have to rest right now. The day was kind of stressful based on when to church, come back, and things like that. So it is what it is, man. So yeah, right now let me just call it a day because kind of stressed out right now, man. All right, see you next time, guys. Kind of very stressed.